we normally support the young budding entrepreneurs. We support them, we facilitate them, we make them to reach out to the private equity, VC, HNI customer, those who want to support small entrepreneurs. Really, those have got in mind they have to grow.
Hello and welcome to Awaz the Voice Interviews. I'm Nazir Ganai. We're joined by Sushant K Chaudhary. He's a advisor, Tamil Nadu State Council, Indian Chamber of Commerce. सर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया आपका। और आज जो कश्मीर में एक इवेंट हुआ जिसमें स्टार्टअप्स को अंडरस्टैंड करने का, उनका जो पेन पॉइंट्स है या उनके जो पोटेंशियल एरियाज है उनको अंडरस्टैंड करने का, व्हाट इज़ योर ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस सो फार एंड हाउ डू यू थिंक व्हाट इज़ द पोटेंशियल फॉर देम?
You must be thankful to our ICC Jain के chapter chairman Vani Saab, and we can see a lot of opportunity here. Only thing is the disadvantage we cannot say now, but we can see a lot of startup entrepreneur here. They come with their own products. They're very much positive attitude, and ICC is normally playing a role kind of bridging the gap between industry and government. If you want to reach, आपको कहीं पहुंचना है, दिल्ली में पहुंचना है, तमिलनाडु में पहुंचना है, बैंगलोर में पहुंचना है, थ्रू ICC आप रीच कर सकते हो, क्योंकि आपका individually you cannot reach everywhere. If you go through an organization like ICC, ICC has got reach not only in this country, they got also almost 25-30 countries also we have chapters. So ICC one organization. We normally support the young budding entrepreneurs. We support them, we facilitate them, we make them to reach out to the private equity, VC, HNI customer, those who want to support small entrepreneurs. Really, those have got in mind they have to grow. So ICC has got a big role to play upbringing this people not only from Jammu Kashmir, across the country.
आप हर एक स्टॉल पे गए, आपने मुआयना भी किया स्टॉल्स का, आपने उनके प्रोडक्ट्स भी देखे, आपने ये भी देखा कि कितना उनका पैकेजिंग का लेवल है. And do you see potential for these kind of
startups? Yes, in fact, मैंने तो विजिट किया था, मैंने भी 2-3 प्रोडक्ट भी खरीदा हुआ है, कुछ टेस्ट भी किया है, बट अच्छा है. I think they maintain very quality. In fact, the pricing is not factor. If quality is good, people, in fact, I have taken the address also. I will buy some through the online. I will place order to them. In fact, I will try to meet some good retail stores in Chennai. I will show them the product if they can be have some understanding between this your local entrepreneur and Tamil Nadu or Bangalore entrepreneurs, and have a kind of a collaboration.
चौधरी साहब, आप चूंकि इस सेक्टर में काफ़ी साल से हैं, इकोसिस्टम को स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम को स्ट्रेंथन करने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, खासतौर से जम्मू कश्मीर गवर्नमेंट को?
एक तो देखो, गवर्नमेंट को तो ठीक है, गवर्नमेंट हैज टू प्ले बिग रोल, बिकॉज विदाउट गवर्नमेंट सपोर्ट इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू. गवर्नमेंट हैज टू क्रिएट अ फंड फॉर द स्टार्टअप इकोसिस्टम, and they have to also support because see, you have to see a product or see a startup company where you get your raw material easily here, where you have to find your customer, who will be your customer, and you find who can guide you, kind of a mentor. You do a mentoring and find the product pricing, and you call it kind of a USP, unique selling proposition you have. Why this product? How my product will be disrupting the market? How I'll be getting better weightage than others? See, India or J&K with a huge population, you can have any product, it can be marketed, but you have to really find out the price, product, and placing also.
Do you think Jammu and Kashmir needs to go beyond that handicraft wala tag? क्योंकि अब
see, there is a mindset. You have to go. I can see the product because you have got a huge natural product here. People like tourism sector. Tourism is not only for the people come and buy ticket or they take taxi and go here. Tourism, when people come, they can buy a lot of things from here. This product can be displayed. So I have come here. I have tested it. I have taken a product also to my my family. My daughter will eat this one, and also I will talk to my friends. So this is the way, word of mouth, and the people also. Some of the, I think I was meeting some of the your entrepreneur. वो बोले कि मुझे आइडिया नहीं हाउ टू रीच आउट थ्रू सोशल मीडिया. सो वो भी एक बात है. वी शुड सपोर्ट देम through Instagram, through social media, through WhatsApp. Even if she can transfer through WhatsApp also, she can reach to lakhs of customers.
So lastly, what do you think, what are the bottlenecks that should be removed immediately?
See, bottleneck is, one thing is government support must be there. And
ease of business has to be there.
You see, government has to support. Without government support, it will be difficult. As an individual, you and me, we can't do anything. The government may not give money, physical money, not to your kitty or not to your pocket, but all the facilities should be provided by the government. Today, this ICC initiative, Indians they have come here, not the government advice. So ICC has come here. Now, personally, we met your a lot of government industry secretary came. Singh was here, and one more secretary also came, who is a residence commissioner Delhi. She was here also. We got excellent support from them. Government doing their own part of work, and I can see people, they need some kind of a initially financial
mentorship, assistance,
support. How to reduce the cost. It is always not money. Suppose you give some money to the people here. As a budding entrepreneur, they may be going and using money to buy a car, buy a scooter, buy a motorcycle. But the government can provide by of infrastructure. Okay, you come here, use my space here. We'll give 10 lakhs rupees. Okay, government can provide a space like Amazon is giving some space to store your database, that kind of thing. Government can give some money for your working people. Suppose you have 10 employees, government can directly make payment to them. Somebody has to give an idea. So that way, money will not be misused. Of course, always you should have a mentorship and go to market. Who will be your target customer? Either you have customer in Srinagar, or you have customer in Jammu Kashmir, or you have customer outside. Because now reaching to anywhere in India, world is a matter of click in your computer or mobile phone. So now I think you can do, if your concept is good, idea is good, you can succeed anywhere.
I think ICC is doing a wonderful job by reaching out to these startups.
Yes.
And we wish you all the best for your.
Thank you very much.
endeavors.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.